Potato beef hot dogs. 3-ingredient recipe. You need beef hot dogs with the smoky flavor. You need yellow potatoes. You need oil. You will put them into the skewer. You will fry it for 6 to 8 minutes. This is the best easy ever recipe. Even a small kid can make this recipe. We will bring the oil temperature at 400 degrees. I'm using vegetable oil, so have enough oil because this recipe will be getting deep fried in the oil. Let's take the potatoes and peel them. Once you peel the potato, we'll slice the potato into thin slices. The whole thing is so you can bend and put the beef hot dog in here. It should not be super thick. If it's super thick, it's not gonna bend. Are these transparent? I mean, you can differentiate now. After multiple fails, you see these? I have made delicious potato, skinny, slices. That's what you want. The trick is to use the beef hot dogs, which has a smoky flavor. And here we go. These are our hot dogs. Slice them from the center. So you have 2 hot dogs. Put this in the potato like this. Look at this beauty. Take the skewer, go right in the center. And look at this. Does it look good? Let's keep repeating the process. We'll take the potato, put hot dog in there. These are potato hot dogs. Does it look good? Yeah? We did it? Six delicious potato beef hot dog skewers are completely ready. They look so good, right? Our oil is above 350. Fry it for just 4 minutes and that's it. Minutes later, easy, simple, delicious 3-ingredient recipe. I'm 100% sure it's completely ready. Look at this yum. So easy, huh? Done. Let's land these guys in here. This is the taste test. You can put yellow mustard, some ketchup. It depends, whatever style you like. So look at this. This is the first bite. Premium quality beef hot dog. Like this. Look at this. Potato, beef hot dog, mustard, ketchup. If you want more flavor, how to top it off, chaat masala is the thing. I will link it in the description so you can easily get it. Just sprinkle a little bit on top and my friend, this is the premium bite.